Well, good morning. We are tracking what is a quiet day right now on the Live Radar Network, or at least a quiet morning. Other than the winds you're walking out to this morning, things are going to be quiet for your morning commute. What we are monitoring closely, though, are thunderstorms that have developed in Oklahoma have started to extend down into North Texas, including development as far south as Abilene. Now, if those storms near Abilene can get going, they may work into our northern counties here later on this morning. So we'll watch it very closely. But one thing that I am seeing within these thunderstorms, at least, is if you look at this thin green line here, that is the cold front that is sparking these storms. It's well out ahead of the main core of those thunderstorms, which is good news. That means that it's cutting it off from that warm air that you're walking out and feeling here this morning. As long as that can be the case, severe weather threat with these will be rather low, even if they make it into our area. But we'll monitor it closely. In fact, the better dynamics for severe weather will be well to our northeast. That's where they have the potential, and this could be a big tornado day for parts of Arkansas, Tennessee, as well as Missouri, Illinois, and Kentucky, where they have a rare outbreak level threat that has been issued here by the Storm Prediction Center. So we'll watch that for our neighbors to the northeast. Even if we don't get big severe weather here, it's going to be a busy weather day across the country. Neighborhood temperatures hanging around the mid-70s right now. It is warm, it is muggy, and it's pushed by those south winds that have been pulling in that Gulf moisture here yesterday, overnight into this morning. 15 to 20 mile per hour sustained winds that are gusting above 30 at times. So very breezy here this morning. You have both hands on the wheel if you're out there driving. Believe it or not, as that front gets closer to us, we'll actually see winds relax because that front doesn't have enough push to make it all the way through, and it'll wash out over our area. Thunderstorm chances most likely here in the middle of the morning, and then we may still have an isolated thunderstorm try to develop this afternoon. Mid-80s this afternoon, by the way. That is about 10 degrees warmer than what we expect this time of year. So we'll watch that thunderstorm development closely. Again, may impact some of our northern counties, but notice the levels on this don't look too intense. If they can stay into the afternoon as we get more heating of the day, if we can keep that activity building along the remnants of that cold front, we could see some stronger thunderstorms this afternoon. Set up tomorrow, we'll have warm, muggy air again, and if thunderstorms can pop in that, they could turn strong to severe. It's about a 30% chance. And then by Friday into Saturday, I think we'll see the best chances of rain set up. Notice those numbers that were showing up as 90s on Friday. I don't expect that to happen. I think the model's too warm. But overnight, Friday into Saturday will bring us the best chance of widespread showers and thunderstorms, but thankfully these should arrive in the overnight hours, which means the severe threat should be rather low. But some of us could see 1 to 2 inches of rain. So watching for thunderstorms here the next couple of days. Better storm chances Friday and Saturday. Then look at the cool down on the way. Could see highs going down into the 60s for early next week.
I'm Donna Conrad at Bluebell Park, where Tuesday night the Aggie offense exploded in a 21-1 7-inning victory over Incarnate Word.
It's always good to feel good. You feel good after a win, and specifically a win like that. So, I mean, baseball's a confidence-based sport, and you would think after that you get some confidence headed into what's going to be a tough road trip.
The Aggies finished the day with 13 hits and 4 home runs, led by Jay Slaviolette, who hit a grand slam and a 3-run blast for a career-high 7.